Connect to CarPlay, tap the icon to enter the CarPlay interface. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for BT, and connect. Confirm the connection prompt on your phone. The screen displays the CarPlay interface and shows the operation options. Tap to play music and touch the volume up or down buttons on the steering wheel. Enter the NTG4.5 interface to set up a UX. Show that the knob can be tilted up, down, left, right, and rotated. Select Audio, then select AUX, and enter the AUTOABC CarPlay interface. Use the steering wheel voice button to navigate to a gas station. Make a voice call to AUTOABC via the steering wheel. Hang up the call using the steering wheel button. Demonstrate steering wheel volume up. Demonstrate steering wheel volume down. Show the mute button. Display the reverse camera image on the CarPlay interface and demonstrate screen swiping functionality. On the phone Bluetooth, turn off CarPlay option. Connect to AirPlay. Tap AirPlay on the screen Wi-Fi icon. Turn on your phone's hotspot. Find your phone's hotspot name on the screen. If you can't find it, please turn Wi-Fi back on. Connect with password 12345678. Tap the AirPlay icon on your phone. Start screen mirroring.